Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In this purple mystery box we have some math and your challenge is to figure out what that math is. You can try this out using the link in the description, and then when you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, I'm going to start with a 0. Okay, so 0 gives us 0. How about 1? So at 1 we have shot all the way up to 100. My goodness, how about at -1? That's a big negative number, and in fact, the same number, a -100. So does it continue going in those same directions? Let's put in a 2. Aha, even bigger, and a 3. I see, and let's just double check with the -2. Okay, so I think I know what this is, even though we don't get much to look at here. What do you think? Do these numbers tell you anything? I'm going to pretend that the double zeros aren't there. And I'm going to start plotting this. So 1, 1 would be right here. And then 2, 8. So 2 and 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then let's do -1, 1. And -2, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Do you see a shape there that you recognize? What I'm trying to get at is that I think this is a cubic, just with a really big multiplier. And what I did was I divided everything by 100, so I think we've got the cubic function multiplied by 100. If we put in, oh, I don't know, let's try to find a value we could actually see on the graph. It'd have to be pretty small. Let's put in, I don't know, let's put in 1/10 and see what we get. Yeah, on 1/10, it's very close. It gives you 0.1, and -1/10 would give you -0.1, I'm sure. How did that happen? Well, so I'm thinking we have our function here, f of x, is just 100 times x cubed. When you put in 1/10, you are cubing 1/10 and then multiplying it by 100. So when we cube the fraction, we cube the top and the bottom. 1 cubed is just 1, and 10 cubed is 1,000. And then you multiply that by 100. 100 over 1,000 is 0.1, 1/10, and that's exactly what we got. So that clinches it for me. I think I'm going to reveal, we're going to call this done. Yes, 100 times x cubed, and we can graph that as well. So you can barely see the shape of the cubic function there. It does flatten out around the origin, but it shoots up so quickly and shoots down so quickly on the left that it's really hard to see that shape we're used to seeing with a cubic. Well, how did that go for you? Did you notice the pattern in the numbers? Did you figure this out with some other clues? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.